Our planet holds many secrets. Today, we journey to Hyderabad Thall. This is not the bustling Hyderabad of Sindh province in Pakistan. Hyderabad Thalli is smaller, nestled in the Punjab province within the Thall desert. Imagine a place where the desert's silence is broken only by the wind. This Hyderabad Thalli is a small town. It is surrounded by a landscape shaped by nature and human endeavor. It might not boast towering skyscrapers or ancient palaces, but its charm lies in its simplicity. Here, the pace of life is slower. People live in close harmony with the land. The Thall Desert itself is a remarkable region. It is a land of shifting sands and surprising life. Hyderabad Thall serves as a focal point within this arid expanse. It is a testament to human adaptation in a challenging environment. The town and its surrounding areas tell a story. It is a story of survival, cultivation, and the enduring spirit of nature. This journey is an invitation. It encourages us to appreciate the delicate balance of life in one of Pakistan's lesser-known treasures. Prepare to be captivated by the quiet allure of Hyderabad Thall. The Thall Desert is a significant geographical feature. It stretches across a large area of Punjab. It is a vast sandy plain. This desert is cradled between two mighty rivers. The great Indus River flows to its west. The Jhelum River marks its eastern boundary. The landscape here is predominantly arid. It is a panorama of sand and sky. One of the most striking features of the Thall is its sand dunes. These are dynamic, ever-changing sculptures crafted by the wind. Some dunes are low and rolling like gentle waves on a sandy sea. Others can rise to more imposing heights. They create a varied and undulating terrain. These sandy expanses cover much of the region. They define the classic image of the Thall Desert. However, the Thall is not entirely barren sand. Human ingenuity has brought change. The Thall Development Project initiated large-scale irrigation schemes. Water drawn from the rivers has turned arid land into fertile valleys. Now green cultivated fields lie alongside the golden dunes. This creates a fascinating contrast. It is a mosaic of natural desert and man-made oases. Understanding this geography is key to appreciating life here. The interplay of desert and cultivation defines the modern Thall landscape. In the seemingly harsh environment of the Thall Desert, life persists. The flora here is highly specialized. Plants have evolved ingenious ways to survive. One common tree is the yand, or Prosopis cineraria. Its deep roots search for moisture far below the surface. Another hardy plant is the correa, or Capparis decidua. This leafless shrub conserves water effectively. Various types of tough grasses also dot the landscape. The Thall Desert is also home to a surprising array of wildlife. Many creatures have adapted to this arid world. The Thall Game Reserve is a crucial sanctuary. It protects some of the region's most iconic species. Here one might glimpse the graceful Chinkara deer. The reserve is also important for birds. The magnificent Hubera bustard, a threatened species, finds refuge here. This sanctuary and the wider desert host many other creatures. Various species of reptiles like lizards and snakes are well adapted. Numerous insects buzz and crawl, forming a vital part of the food web. Bird watchers can find species like sandgrouse and larks. Conservation is paramount in the Thall. Protecting the natural habitats is essential. The Thall Game Reserve stands as a beacon of hope. The story of life in the Thall is a story of adaptation and tenacity. The climate of Hyderabad Thall is classified as semi-arid. Rainfall is scarce throughout much of the year. The region experiences significant temperature variations. Summers are known for their intense heat. Winters, in contrast, can be pleasantly cool. This climate profoundly influences the way of life. Summers in Hyderabad Thall are long and scorching. They typically last from April to October. During the peak summer months, temperatures can soar. Daytime highs often exceed 45 degrees Celsius. These conditions make daytime activity challenging. Life tends to slow down during the hottest parts of the day. Winters offer a welcome respite. They generally span from November to March. During these months, the weather is much milder. Daytime temperatures are usually pleasant and warm. Nights, however, can become quite cool. This period is considered the most comfortable time to be in the region. Rainfall in Hyderabad Thall is not abundant. The region receives most of its precipitation during the monsoon season. Dust storms are also a common climatic feature. Strong winds can whip up the fine desert sand, creating towering clouds of dust. Section 5, Nature's Canvas unveiling local attractions. Hyderabad Thall and its surroundings offer unique natural attractions. The majestic Indus River flows not far from the region. This ancient river is the lifeblood of Pakistan. Its banks near the Thall present scenes of tranquil beauty. The river supports patches of vegetation. It attracts various forms of wildlife. Observing the slow, powerful flow of the Indus is a captivating experience. The Thall desert dunes themselves are a primary attraction. Their vast, undulating expanses are visually stunning. Sunrise and sunset paint the dunes in hues of gold and orange. Exploring these sandy landscapes can be an adventure. The Thall Game Reserve remains a highlight for wildlife enthusiasts. This protected area is dedicated to conserving local fauna. Visitors have the chance to see chinkara deer in their natural habitat. Birdwatching can be very rewarding here. Species like the hoobara bustard and various raptors may be spotted. The reserve plays a vital role in ecological balance. Beyond these specific sites, the overall landscape is an attraction. The peace and quiet of the rural setting are also appealing. Section 6, Echoes of the Past, a glimpse into history. The history of Hyderabad Thall, like many settlements in the region, is tied to the land. Its origins as a specific town are relatively modest. It likely began as a small village or settlement. It would have served the needs of the sparse population living in the Thall desert. For centuries, this area was considered remote and challenging. Life was dictated by the availability of water. Nomadic and semi-nomadic communities traversed these lands. A significant chapter in the history of the Thall region is the Thall project. This ambitious undertaking is also known as the Thall Development Authority, or TDA. It was launched in the mid-20th century. The project aimed to transform the desert. Canals were dug. Water from the Indus River system was channeled into the arid lands. This project had a profound impact on the geography and demography of the Thall. The Thall project led to the settlement of many new communities. Land was allocated to farmers. Vast tracts of desert were converted into agricultural fields. The legacy of the Thall project is still visible everywhere. Section 7. The heartbeat of Thall's culture and traditions. The culture of Hyderabad Thall is deeply rooted in its rural setting. It reflects the agricultural lifestyle of its people. Life here is closely connected to the seasons and the land. The communities are generally close-knit. There is a strong sense of local identity. Hospitality is a cherished value. Visitors are often welcomed with warmth and generosity. Daily life revolves around farming, family and community. The primary languages spoken in and around Hyderabad Thall are Saraiki and Punjabi. These languages are rich with local idioms and expressions. They reflect the cultural heritage of the wider Punjab region. Storytelling and folk poetry may be part of the oral traditions. Local customs are observed with respect. Local festivals are important occasions for the community. Religious festivals like Eid are celebrated with enthusiasm. There may also be local fairs or melas. These events bring people together. The cuisine of Hyderabad Thall is simple yet flavorful. It is based on locally available produce. Section 8. Your journey to Thall practical travel advice. Reaching Hyderabad Thall requires some planning as it is not a major urban centre. It is located in the Layar district of Punjab. The nearest larger towns or cities would provide primary access routes. One would typically travel by road. Buses or private vehicles can be used. The road network connects it to other parts of Punjab. The best time to visit Hyderabad Thall is during the cooler months. This period is from November to March. During this time, the climate is pleasant for outdoor activities. Daytime temperatures are moderate and nights are cool. Summers from April to October are extremely hot. Travel and exploration can be very uncomfortable then. Planning your visit for the winter season will ensure a more enjoyable experience. When packing for a trip to Hyderabad Thall, consider the climate. Light, breathable clothing is suitable for daytime, even in winter. However, warmer layers are essential for evenings and early mornings. Sun protection is crucial year-round. Comfortable walking shoes are a must. Respect for local customs is important when visiting any new place. Section 9. The enduring allure, a call to explore. Hyderabad Thall, in its quiet dignity, offers a truly unique experience. It is a place where the desert's stark beauty meets human resilience. It is a hidden gem away from the bustling tourist trails. The period between November and March stands out as the ideal time. This window allows visitors to explore its wonders in comfort. The cooler weather makes for pleasant days and crisp nights. This is more than just a visit to a town. It is an opportunity for a deep rural and ecological immersion. You can witness firsthand the delicate balance of life in a semi-arid land. The tranquility found here is a powerful antidote to the stress of modern city life. We encourage you to consider a journey to this lesser-known part of Pakistan. Discover the undulating sand dunes. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people. The enduring allure of Hyderabad Thall lies in its authenticity. It promises memories that will last a lifetime.